Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Faraway. Today I'm bringing you two unboxings from two different companies. So let's get to it. Let me show you what's inside. Alright guys, first of all, I got some speed shapes. This is the first company. Let me open this up. I got some speed shapes. And I got another box. This company is called Didspade. And they specialize in a bunch of custom colors, color shifting paint and all that. So that's what's coming up. They send me, I'm not being sponsored by any of these two companies. Alright guys, let me show you the content of this and then I'll jump into this. Okay, what's inside? It's a bunch of little baggies with different colored pigments. These are all color shifting paint that I'm going to be trying out, I'm going to be using, and show you how they perform, show you how they look. There it is. And one of these colors, some of these colors I'm going to be using on that guitar. Alright guys, they also sent me a couple of brochures. Right here, this one's from Metal Flakes. They got a bunch of different styles, guys. I got a bunch of different styles of Metal Flakes. I'll leave the information. Down below so you can go to their website and look at all the content that they have. They have a bunch of stuff. All right. And this another brochure. These are for pearls and candies. Right there. Alright guys, so there it is. Like I said, I'm going to leave the information down below so that you can go to their website and see all the stuff that they have. They have a bunch of different neat colors, a bunch of color shifting, a bunch of pearls, a bunch of candies, a bunch of Metal Flake. They got a bunch of stuff. So that's one company, guys. I'm going to be doing a bunch of speed shapes with these colors, so keep an eye out for this. Alright, that's one. Let me show you the other company. The other company also sent me some speed shapes that I'm going to be trying out. And they also sell a bunch of color shifting paint. So they sent me two different colors. Right there. And this company's called Paint with Pearls. I'm also going to leave the information below. Paint with Pearls. This is the other color that they sent me. And I'm also going to be using some of these colors on a vehicle, guys. So keep an eye out for that one coming up. It'll be coming up soon. Alright. These guys also have some, these are micro flakes, but they're holographic micro flakes. And have a lot of neat colors also, which I'm gonna leave. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link below to their channel, to their website. I'm sorry, and so you can take a look at it. They got a bunch of neat stuff, guys. So these two companies, I'm not gonna be comparing them and saying which one's better. Both of these companies are excellent, and they have their own stuff. So take a look at them and get yourself some of these pearls, guys. Some of these color shifting paints. So I'll be doing this in future videos. Alright, so keep an eye out for that. Alright guys. Okay guys, well this will be it for this unboxing. And this company also sent me some clear that I'm also going to be using to do the speed shapes. Alright, so like I said guys, these companies, they're real good, and go take a look at them. You can do a bunch of different stuff, motorcycles, cars, instruments, whatever you want to paint, they got it. Alright, okay guys, this will be it for this video. Guys, comment down below if you like this kind of unboxings. Also, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And guys, I'll see you this weekend. This weekend will be that painting of that guitar. I'm going to use one of these colors, color shifting paints. So keep an eye out for them. And That way you can see how they perform. All right, guys. Thank you. God bless. See you this weekend.